Yes guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. Today we're in the kitchen and I'm going to be showing you how to make some protein pancakes. So if you're trying to bulk up, add some more muscle, get some more protein into your diet, or lose some fat, because these are really low calorie as well, they're perfect for you, and above all, they taste great. And you know, from somebody who is not very blessed in the kitchen, they're really easy to make, as I'll show you in this video. So all you need for this recipe, super simple: a blender, a banana, scoop of protein, some fruit toppings, fry light, and some egg whites. Now you can choose how many eggs you want to use. I'm just going for 5 because I want to get more protein. So next, what you want to do, really difficult, is you want to add your ingredients into the blender, right? That's all you got to do. LeBron James it, like that. Banana in, putting the protein in now. There you go. And obviously, you want to put your egg whites in there as well. So what you want to do, you want to crack. Oh, try not to let the yolk in. Now, I forgot to mention at the start, but if you want to get these a bit more fluffy and get them to really raise up, just add half a teaspoon of self-raising flour or baking powder, whatever that is. Put that in there. So now you have everything in here. You've got your protein, your banana, your baking powder, and your egg whites. You want to put it upside down, let it blend away. In the meantime, what you want to do, set your stove to about medium heat. Get your fry light. Couple sprays all over the pan. That's all it needs with that. I think it's like 1 calorie or something per... What's that? What's it saying? Yeah, per spray, 1 calorie. It's crazy, man. Got our batter made, and we've got our heat on halfway up the hob with the fry light on. What you want to do is gently pour the pancake mix into the middle. Make it about the size you want. That'll do for me. It's not very centralized, but I mean it would do. And what you want to do, you want to leave it for 1 minute there, okay? Leave it for 1 minute. So we'll see what happens in 1 minute. Right, so we're coming up to 1 minute. As you can see, there are some sort of bubbles on the top here. You can sort of see it bubbling up. I'll probably leave it another few seconds, but when you see these bubbles come up, you know that it's time to almost flip it, okay? In fact, we're going to just go for it. Bite the bullet. Oh, look at that. Almost perfect. Obviously, the browner it is, the better. And then all you want to do here is you want to just make sure that you leave it on here for about another 30 seconds to another minute, and then that's it. As both sides done, isn't it? You can see here I've got my first pancake done. But what I'm going to do is, to prevent it getting cold, I'm just going to cover it with another plate. That's my special tip, so that I just have to keep taking the plate on and off so that I can eventually just add more into it and keep warm. We're just going to weigh out how much fruit we're using so we can get an accurate calorie count. Oh, so it looks like we've got 55 grams of strawberries. Now let's see how much blueberries we've got. Whoops, dropped one on the floor. 80 grams of blueberries. I just thought I'd show you what happens if you get it wrong and you leave it on there for too long. So don't leave your pancake on stick for too long. 1 minute max, otherwise you're going to get that. And you don't want that. One thing you guys should definitely consider doing is microwaving your fruit for like 30 seconds. And watch what happens when you come on the outside. As you can see, the fruits come out. It's burst a little bit, but it's really warm. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to look at my pancakes there. Oh, steaming hot. Dash that on top there. Lovely jubbly. And we're going to end it with some maple syrup, sugar-free. When I dash that all over the top there. Oh my gosh. And there you have it, guys. That right there. This right here, right there, is 315 calories and 40 grams of protein. Remember, 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. So I'm trying to get 180 grams. This is essentially just under 1/4 of what I need for the day. Just want to give you guys a close up there. You can see how the fruit has all popped and all the juices are flowing over the pancakes. They're really quite fluffy. You can see the texture here. And there's like 6 or 7 of them, so yeah. I'm gonna get fed up eating this. It's healthy and it's tasty, like, it's perfect. Try it out, guys. Let me know how you found the recipe. Like and subscribe if you're new. More content coming your way. Hope you enjoy.